Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts again. Today we're going to install a Type 290, a Geberit Type 290 flush valve. So we've got one in front. So the first thing is to take the button off. And then we'll unclip the flush valve from the cradle. Bring the cistern in. I'm sure your one won't have a cutout like this. Tighten up the cradle. Obviously, I'm doing it hand tight, but best to use a spanner and replace. You hear it click. You can hear that. That's when it's locked. Next thing is obviously putting the button and adjusting. The adjustment is this blue catch here. Like that. It slides up and down. So that's, get that in position, lock it, and you'll be measuring with the button. So when it's the right height, and that can all be tightened in.